Hello, good day. If you have been wondering how you can have two same apps on your device, this video is just for you. Kindly follow these simple steps so you can have two apps on your device, two same apps on your device. The first thing you need to do is to go to settings. You click on settings, then you scroll down and find special function. You click on special function, you see a list. Then what you have to find on the list is app twin. Then you click on app twin. What this app twin does is going to give you two apps on your device. As you can see, I've already have Facebook. I've already activated the app twin of Facebook. So you can do this for Instagram, for Messenger, for Snapchat, for WhatsApp. I think you can even do it for TikTok. I don't know. But as you can see, I've already done it for Facebook, so I'm going to try it now for WhatsApp. Then you click on for WhatsApp to activate this. Now it's installing. Then how you're going to see whether it's on your device, then you minimize. As you can see, I'm having two WhatsApps on my phone. This is the first one, which is the one that I'm currently using. Then the one that I just installed now from the app twin, then you click on it. You see, it shows you that you already have a new WhatsApp on your phone that you need to activate. So thank you for watching this video.